We're gonna learn a song by Eben, and I'm playing in the key of F. Jesus, how I love you. Jesus, how I love you. How can I live without your love? How can I breathe without your touch? How can I breathe without your love? How I love you. You are more than love to me. You are everything I need. You are more than life could say. You are. All right. So I'm playing the progression. I'm playing my F, C, and then my F, G, A, C. Okay, so that's my root chord. So we are starting on the seeds chord, which is a La, A, D, F. Six, 5, 1. Now the 5 I played a C, E, and then my G, and then my 1 I played a C, F, A, which I already showed you. Yeah. And on my left I played a D, D, and in the middle I played an A. But when I'm playing my 5 here, I'm playing my 7th chord here. So it says 6, 7, 1. And then I played How I love. Okay, so I played a 5 here, which is a C, C. You can bring the G inside. And I played a C, E flat, G, B flat. How I love you. So I played a 5 and then this chord, and I came to 1, and then I moved to my 4th. Now my 4th, B flat, G, F, B flat, and I'm playing my C, D, F. Okay, 1, 7, 1. Sorry, 6, 7, 1. Then 5, 6. Part, you are my 1 chord, more than life to me. My 5th chord. Now the 5th chord, you can choose to play your triad, or you can add your D to it, and then on your left hand you play the C and then the G. You are everything I need. So from my 6th, which is my D, F, A, I come to my 4th chord, which is B flat, F, B flat, C, D, F. my 2, I play a G, D, G, and then B flat, D, F. Alright, so I believe these chords will help you. Leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you.